Hello guys! Mag-harvest lang ako ng habanero chilies. Bigay ko kay Ivy and JR. So, i-meet ko si Ivy today. We're going to eat lunch. So sweet, huh? Look, it's so beautiful. Let's get some more orange. Huh? So it's inside. Oh, it's so big. It's so cute. This is very spicy. Like 10 times the normal chilies. Maingay outside. Nag-grass cutting dito sa main garden namin. So. Okay. Oh, so cute. So lovely. Shaman. Have a nice day everyone. Pasok ako today. Chilies.